Okay, now still sound test. Um, I don't know how should we use the volume. Okay, now the volume has been reduced to 0, increasing progressively. So the volume at 9, let's say 10 is good. So let's try it. Let's try the volume at 10 and see the result. So basically you have to understand that I don't know if I have to be speaking with this big voice stuff. Okay, now like this I think it's better. So but I would like be obliged to let me like shift this guy behind a bit and be typing like this. Oh, it will be stressful. I don't know if there's a way I can do it. This book is too big. Maybe let me take another book. Small book, but necessary. Okay, so now let me try and open this note, quick note. Like this is better. Let me try and open this quick note. Okay. So basically the difference between me let's say for example load the game. Let's go to the play action service. Make sure this guy is working perfectly. So I don't know. Normally okay. I don't like the way this thing is. It's because it's really uncomfortable. I cannot walk like this. I cannot really walk like this. So let me just try okay. Between let's say wall full fern index to quartz. Okay. Let's go to the freeCodeCamp. Try to do some basic stuff. See what's happening. I think that the voice, yeah, I think like this the voice is better. When I put it down, I think the voice is not that better because it's a little bit far from my mouth. So basically the microphone has to be in front of my mouth before for great quality or for better quality sound quality. So let us go directly to the curriculum. Start something like this and go on. Okay, let's say color picker. Let me see what's here. Let me just try and write something interesting. So here is a use state color picker. You say constant. You say is an exponential. Is a oh hello guys, for those people are watching. This is not basically a real life. So but I'm here just to test the sound. So if you guys are getting me very well, you can just leave a comment below. You can just leave a message in the chat so that I can know how good the sound quality is, because I came to my notice that the sound quality of my videos on my lives are basically not that good, and it's not that good. So hi. Okay, thank you very much. Hello, hello, got my friends from Indian. So, let me just try. Yeah, basically, I'm doing tomorrow. I'll be doing a live. So thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Basically, tomorrow I'll be doing a live. So today is just like I want to test the sound quality, and by doing so, I'll be doing this exercise here. And tomorrow we shall meet up for another live. So let us see. So now this project is about building a color picker color picker app, and the objective is to fulfill this thing, to fulfill the user story. So the first user story here is you should define and export a color picker component. Yes, I'm sure that is already done. So if I run the test, normally if I run the test, this one is supposed to be correct. Okay, now the next thing, you should use a use state hook. Okay, I think that I have to use a use case hook in, sorry, maybe this thing is uncomfortable. Okay, let me try something like this. Const is equals to, let's say, normally on this use state stuff. So okay, I can use state because we imported directly from the library prompt. I think it's the bracket, and here we have something like so initial variable, and we have this how they call it again, set initial variable function. So basically that's the syntax. So you should have a container, you should use hook. Okay, you should return a value, you should use the return value of hook, use state hook. It's not accurate. So you should have a dash dash element id with white background. Okay, so to do that is pretty simple. Return let's say we have a deep element, to with id is equals to this guy, put in parentheses. With the white background. So we shall do some inline style, like this. I think we use this parentheses, let's say background color, white. That's it. Let's say preview. Maybe I have to put it here. No, I don't think so. Let me check. Let's say blue. Test. Okay. So guys, I have a question for you, for the guys that are watching. What's for you the best time for me to be doing my streaming? Should I do it in the during the day, or during the evening, or in the night? So what's the basically the best time for you guys? Uh, you should have a color input element. All these things are bullshit. I don't know. This user story is bullshit. Uh, okay. I think that I'll stop the live for now. Wanted to know. 10. It's a 10. This guy. This is snipping tool. Okay. So now these are the configuration for better timings. This and the sound is at 10. So increase the size. 10.